meteorologist Michelle Muscatello with your live Pinpoint Doppler 12 Futurecast.
It is another A-plus day here in southern New England as temperatures are soaring well above average for mid-May, and the sun is shining. This is the view from the hurricane barrier cam. And you can see the blue skies over Providence right now. The temperatures in the capital city we're being reported right now in the mid to upper 70s. As you get closer to the water today, whether it's the bay or the coast, you're going to be seeing those temperatures a little bit cooler than areas even just a mile or two inland. We're tracking the summer warmth for one final day of it before this backdoor front comes in tonight and cools us off. We're going to be seeing highs in the 60s, it looks like, for most of the rest of the week. And it'll be finishing up with an unsettled stretch of weather, I think, especially starting Thursday and lasting into maybe the start of the weekend. Right now, though, enjoy it because it is 81 in Smithfield, 83 degrees right now in Taunton. Coventry's at 81. Providence at 76, about 73 in Westerly. As expected, we're in the low 70s, most of our coastal locations. New Bedford's a little warmer right now, 78 degrees, and we're rain-free all across these areas. If you're headed out today on the bay, you're going to see good visibility. A southwest wind that'll be at about 5 to 10 knots. We just are coming off of a low tide at 12:06 this afternoon and a high tide at around 7 o'clock this evening. So we've got a cool front sitting up to our north, tied into this next weather system. This is an attempt at an approaching warm front. Never quite makes it our way. We may get a little bit of this cloud cover that's stretching across to eastern Pennsylvania right now. That would be late in the day or this evening. This cold front, though, is going to drop down to the south, and as it does, it'll shift the winds to the east and northeast, bringing in that cooler air and the more humid air from out over the ocean waters, and that's going to mean the big change that we're going to see weather-wise starting tonight and into tomorrow. So here's how the rest of the afternoon plays out. You can see we're sort of in and out of some extra clouds, especially southern and western parts of our area. 11 o'clock at night, partly cloudy, very small chance of a sprinkle in the first part of the night. By the time we wake up on Tuesday morning, skies are partly to mostly cloudy, and notice those clouds hang around all afternoon. There may be an isolated shower on Tuesday, but it looks like most of the day will be dry. For your high temperatures today, low 80s downtown Lincoln and North Providence, 82 on the east side. We'll make it up into the upper 70s to near 80 in Barrington, Warwick, Riverside, Garden City at about 83. Along the south coast, high temperatures cooler as expected. Again, low and mid 70s in the second half of the day with that sea breeze. Northern part of the state, you're all the way up to the low 80s. Summer warmth, mostly sunny skies. In southeastern Massachusetts, ranging from about 81 New Bedford to 82 in Seekonk. Down into the 50s overnight tonight with those increasing clouds, and then here's that 7-day futurecast. I think we're partly to mostly cloudy after today for the rest of the week. Low 60s Tuesday and Wednesday, the coolest days, and then we'll start to warm up a little bit. Friday into Saturday, potential for a steadier and maybe even heavier rainfall. With any luck, we can get it out of here by maybe Saturday afternoon, but the timing of that still has to be worked out. So you can get the latest